Welcome to EPROLO Academy, your go-to resource for mastering dropshipping. People wondering dropshipping business is legal or not, since it's a low-risk but high-return business model. So we are going to talk about the legal issue about dropshipping in this video. Dropshipping business is completely legal, but there are a number of hidden legal issues you need to pay attention to. Let's take a look at the most common ones. As a dropshipper, you must ensure that you don't sell the counterfeit products violating the copyright law. That's mean you have to work with dropshipping suppliers who dropship legal and compliant products. Otherwise, it is you that could be liable for breaking the copyright law. Besides, remember to check the copyright of the pattern if you decide to dropship the print-on-demand products. You can also register copyright for your own design pattern in case of design theft. Dropshipping is a legal business, but different countries have different requirements for starting a business. Many states in the USA require a license and tax permit. You should search for the detailed information about licensing in your target market and follow the instruction to get one. Just like other entrepreneurs, dropshippers needs to fulfill tax obligation. There are about 4 distinct categories, including income tax, sales tax, source tax, and customs duty tax. Income tax is a type of tax that a government charge on the gross of business income. Because income tax rates fluctuate from place to place, it's a good idea to consult with an accountant to make sure local laws are followed correctly. Sales tax is a consumption tax that a dropshipper collects at a rate set by each country or locality when a customer purchases, then pay to the local government. Source taxes is a kind of tax to pay to the dropshipping suppliers whenever the dropshipper purchases from them. Dropshipping suppliers will charge at a percentage of purchase total. The last one is customs duty taxes. Customs duty is a tax imposed on products transported across international borders, and it can be paid by either the dropshipper or the buyer directly to the courier upon reaching the destination country. These are the main 4 taxes category for dropshipping business. Remember to consult with local professional to confirm the detailed taxes information, since taxes rate and policy vary in different regions. Consumer protection laws are made to protect consumers from fraudulent business practices, defective products, and dangerous goods and services. For dropshippers, you should take the responsibility for the quality and safety of products, even you're not the one making products. Like any businessman, you're responsible for accurately representing the products you sell. To avoid breaking this law, you need to ensure your marketing efforts won't mislead your customers about the products. Under the law, your marketing claims and advertising must be truthful, non-misleading, and evidence-based. Now you know the 5 most common legal issues about dropshipping. Let's have a look at some practice for running a legitimate dropshipping business. As a dropshipper, you depend on your suppliers to source, ship, and fulfill the orders. Therefore, vetting your supplier carefully, or you may land yourself in hot water. For example, if the supplier offers you counterfeit products, you will be liable for selling them. So it is necessary to make sure that your suppliers are trustworthy. Having contract from starting can wrap you in a protective cycle against lawsuit, no matter the contract is for suppliers or product. Hire a lawyer to draft and review every contract related to your business so that you are protected if you need to go to court. A specific disclosure could protect both dropshippers and customers. A must disclosures list includes privacy policy, declaims, and terms. Privacy policy is to tell your customers where their information will be used and what you will do to protect their privacy. Declaimers is to tell your customer the hazard of your product or service. For example, you should write fire hazard warning to declaim if you are selling firework. Terms and conditions is a type of document stating details about what a service provider is responsible for, as well as user obligation that must be adhered to for continuation of the service. It's a good way to illustrate the responsibility of you and customers. That's all for the video, and thank you for watching. This video will make you aware of the hidden legal risks associated with dropshipping and help you take steps to protect your company against lawsuits.